Job of the day. Customer had a backed out bolt on his passenger side equalizer, so I'm going to fix that. He did buy 2 new equalizers, so I'm going to change them. I'm going to do all brakes. I did his bearings probably at 8 months ago, so I'm not going to do bearings today, but I'm going to do all new backing plates and make sure his brakes work. Trailer's up in the air. Let's get these tires off. Our customer's old equalizer's out, putting a new equalizer in. And these are going to be longer shackle bolts because the shackle lengths are doubled up. 2 are tight. I need a new jack to jack up that axle. Good. Tight, tight, tight. Everything's good. Let's change these backing plates out. This grease is still totally fine. Gotta throw a new cotter key in, but he's good. All right, hubs are off. We're going to clip the wiring, get everything else wired in with the new backing plates. And if you're ever doing it, it's a 9/16 socket to get these fasteners off. Backing plates are on and wired. I need to zip tie it to the axle to make it nice and clean, but everything's good. Put the hubs back on and pound some new dust caps. Rear cotter key is on. Front cotter key is on. Our brakes are on, everything's wired up. Rear's free spinning, front is free spinning. Brake is locked up, brake is locked up. Perfect. There, all butt connectors, shrunk wrap, everything zip tied so it's not flopping around. All his bolts are tight. Bolts and nuts are tight here. Good, and front. Good. This side's done. Let's put tires and wheels on. Tires and wheels are on. Let's drop it, go to the other side. Now we're on the driver's side. Let's get it up in the air. Do the same thing we did on the passenger side. Our front driver's side's all swapped out. I do need to wire it in, and I put the cotter key on the front. I'm gonna do the rear now. Both driver's side backing plates are torn apart and new ones have been put on. I'm gonna wire them up, test the brakes. Our brakes are wired in. Rear is free spinning. Front is free spinning. Front locked up. Oh, wait for it to kick back on. Rear is locked up, perfect. Confirming cotter key is on, yes. Confirm cotter key is on, yes. I'm going to change his equalizer right now. All right, new equalizer is on. All bolts are tight, all nuts are tight. Front and back are tight. Yep, good. Let's drop this down. Everything's done. Let's get tires and wheels back on. And torque lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued.